Guys, you want to know how to do this? This is really easy. But if you have this app. Yeah, count your balls. Oh. First, wait, I fix this real quick. I like this.
I think why my toy. I think this might my toy.
First, you need to go to settings. Now look at this.
We go to Eden. At the heat.
Right there. Look. Panama. Here's reversed colon empires, an official flag of French Guiana, rectangle Kazakhstan, Nepal, cubic Israel, pyramidal Egypt, triangle Singapore, so that's why it's called Triangle, Bermuda Triangle.
Give me back my air.
Bermuda Triangle and Panama. That's all. So hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Well, there's actually even more. You're gonna turn it dark, light, system. But I chose light because I liked it. So, and
he's so bad.
Yeah.
I think he's so bad.
I
think better Godzilla. Here you go. I think touch him. I think touch him.
Yeah, touch him.
I think you touch him.
Because
I think you touch him.
Wala yan. Laki namang kahon niya. Talaga namang parang galit ang nanay mo ah. Hindi pa uminom.
And this for the background where they use transparent. And here for the eyebrows.
May galit ka ba?
Walang maliit na lagayan dun eh.
Parang higala yan nila Bruce ah. Hindi makakawala yung dalawang aso ah.
Ma'am?
Donut. I
Can
think
you
it's a
use
donut. I do it. Donut for me. Donuts for me. Mommy.
Share with ate.
Look at this. There.
Wala talaga silang kimchi at saka
Let me just go.
ate, share.
Okay.
Ate, share me.
Ay, di po ate.
No.
Ay, one at a time. Balik mo yung iba. Riley ha?
Wala.
Ay, ate, yung pinakain. Ayun na, mahulog na yung iba oh. Oh. Ikaw na maghawak niyan ate.
Give me that.
Palog ka pa rin. Ay, para tayo nagpalog.
Look at that.
Mag-uulan. Oy, parang nagwa-warning kanina yung ano, natunog. Yung ulan. Nagbabas kanina, wala ba warning sa'yo? Oo. Narinig ko kasi mga cellphone nila. Kasi oh, kulimlim na naman, uulan na naman. Hindi, kanina, nung nasa papagupit si Riley. Ba't sa akin kaya hindi? Siguro hindi naka-register yung phone.
sumakay.
Sabi mo, wala na. Dito na tayo sa table ko.
Hindi, 1:30 pa ito kanina eh. Oh, nag-send din ako. Nakain ng french fries. Kanin na may chicken. Sinend ko kasi yung video nyo.
Mommy, that's
Virus, camera, thanks for now. Okay guys, so here's all of the tutorials. I showed you all of them, so this is the end.